shoot. You're great. You're great. You're great. You're great. Inside or nice.
You can watch it muzzle, T, straight up.
Bring that right left heel in. There you go. Lower. Straight 12 o'clock.
So are you having fun?
Yeah.
What all y'all running back?
Oh,
Big fucking ass stretcher.
Nice.
Stretcher.
oh yeah. Lots of tourniquets. Lots of pressure bandages. Nasal pocket gel. Chest decompression needle.
There you go.
Immediate life threatening stuff.
Move to the far to the right, move to the left. Do it again. Think about that part. You were too far left. That left hand, get that wood. Bring it right a little bit.
Take you out the next North American Rescue. I think it's got a stretcher. I think it's got a break through the brake.
Too far left.
It's one of those things you don't get stuck calling it. That's like. Oh, I know. Scads are worse. But it's like, I always got to come up with a scad. Yeah. Thin plastic with some old Chevy belt buckles on it. And it's like,
I got left.
how do you?
You already fought. Now you're gonna assess.
Yeah. All them scans, they kill it.
Why are you scanning? What are you doing?
Put it on the video.
That guy's good guys covered.
You're already blocking. Yeah. I mean, that alone, besides the shape.
I want to ready to be.
Everything was great, man. The only thing when you come back, just think about 12 o'clock and lay back.